Good morning, good morning, good morning. Well, we are on the scene, babe.
Woo!
Yeah, look at all that. We done cleared all that out this morning right there.
TGIF, huh?
When I say we, I mean Uber. It was all Uber.
Uber in the game.
Oh, Uber. I was just holding on pretty much. But look at that. Nice and cleared out. We got a big pile pushed over there. Got some wood separated right there. What is this for?
It is finally time for us to be able to bring our pig pen from the boneyard down here to the landing. The building that we took down last summer that you gave to us still has so much good lumber. We still got some good trusses, and we're ready to put it to work.
We call it the pig pen because had a subscriber back in the day say, I can't believe that you would give them that pig pen. So we made a joke out of it. So now it's called the pig pen. Yeah. So we got today.
Yep.
What's going on, buddy?
On the scene.
He's on the scene. Look at that. Got the gloves on. He's ready to put that work in. I heard this young man right here has been really stepping up to the plate here lately and taking on a little bit bigger projects and stuff,
yep.
Earning a little bit of the jangle.
Over the summer, he learned how to weed eat and do some other stuff, so I figured if he's working harder, he ought to be compensated.
Well, there's always an open invitation up there at Uncle's to make a little jangle. Always. But I'm not going to chase you to do it. You got to take the initiative, because that's what life's about, is taking the initiative to go get what you want. You know what I mean? So I'm going to hand the phone off to Mike here. We're all about to jump on Uber here, run up to the boneyard, and we're going to show you the pig pen and what we're thinking. We got to switch the bucket out, the forks out, all of that other stuff, and then come up with a game plan to get it down here as easy as possible. I'm hoping we could do it without the trailer, but we might have to load everything on the trailer and then come down here and unload it. So we'll see. But hold on. We're on our way.
Coming.
I think we need third gear.
Third gear. Hold on, guys.
Gear. Take back control, and we're gonna go ahead and drop the bucket.
Drop in the bucket.
Let's go. felt it drop.
Time to drop.
Giving it back. There we go.
Uber looks so funny without an attachment on the front. Going for the forks. Woo! Caught on the handle. You're caught on your handle? There you go. Oh. You can do it, Unc. Woo! Smooth operator. Woo! Don't take yourself out.
Gotta watch your fingers on this side.
Man, yeah, last time it clamped me. There you go.
The forks are the easiest ones to do with this quick connect being messed up.
Domino. Domino. Thank you.
The gas ain't supposed to be fine, just the bucket.
Thank you, son. Go on the other side. Woo! Yeah! Let's go see if he's got him. Oh, it's got him.
Watch out for danger, little.
Need a hand? Oh, push it. Yeah. Watch out, yeah, watch out for danger noodles. I think last time you grabbed it right here.
Huh?
I think last time it went through right here.
Yeah.
Woo! Let me zoom out a little bit. There you go. Nice. Woo! Good job. He's got the trusses. First load complete. Nice. Nice. Woo.
Well, that worked well. That worked real well. Yeah, man, this right here would be handy. I mean, a little damage here or there, you know, but I mean, definitely make a good shelter for animals or feed or something like that. A little mini barn, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Hey, wouldn't take but about maybe three of these, 3 or 4, maybe even 3, and this would be a mega chicken house.
Oh yeah, yeah. It can make. I'll tell you what, it'd make a really good thing though. Probably a pig pen.
Ooh. I've been needing a pig pen. Yeah.
It's good stuff. I'm really enjoying having Talon here working today. That's really cool. The big challenge is going to be this.
Yeah, this is going to be a time consumer right here. Unless you can think of something amazing.
Well, my goal, I'm going to try to take some rope or straps or something and ideally run around the backside. Get up underneath there with the fork, straighten it all up a little bit, and then tie it off to the top of the forks, and that way it lifts and kind of counter. That's the ideal. The problem is a lot of this wood is rotted.
Right.
So we're going to have to do what we do. I mean, worst case scenario, we'll stab through this OSB right here like we unloaded it.
Right.
You know what I mean? Right.
Yeah,
You
and
can see the holes already. I'll just come in, stab it, pick it up, and go one by one if we have to.
yeah, you can see right here where we got it last time. Yeah, and yeah, if not one by one, at least a couple of shots at a time, huh?
Too many. I don't think it's worth loading it all onto the trailer, and I think we'll do more damage than we're good if we do that. It's not that far, being that we're so far down the driveway. It'd have been nice if we just had a trail.
Bro, I swear, Unc, I was thinking the same thing. We need to blast.
Yeah, eventually we're going to take Uber as soon as we get the survey and all that stuff done. Mike and them scheduling to do that this year sometime. As soon as we get the survey and know where the exact lines are and stuff, we will cut a pass-through trail from here to there to cut out the runaround.
Yeah.
That way the kids can run up the hill easy, stuff like that. I'll lock it, keep Mike out. All right, guys, I think that's going to be about it. I'm glad y'all came and worked with us. Love every single one of y'all. TGIF, guys, it is Friday. Make sure that you check those guys out tonight at 6 o'clock Central Time. They are going to go live from Come On Mountain because we got SLR with Simple Life Reclaim coming. We're going to do a little bit of stuff today. I ain't going to spill all the beans right now, but I'm also going to give them one of the hoppity hops. So, and we're going to do a little barbecue, a little hang out and chill. And I believe y'all are going live, right?
That's right.
Yep, going live up there and stuff. So it's going to be a very productive, cool day. And it's going to be nice to work with the fam again. All right, love every single one of y'all. Do something nice for somebody. Take another step closer to your goals. But definitely, they need to keep it real, don't they, Talon?
Yeah.
Definitely keep it real.